So what is the second experiment? To determine the alkalinity of water sample. Okay, alkaline water sample अगर हमने 10 ml ले लिया, this is the alkaline water sample. We are going to take the 10 ml alkaline water sample in titration flask. So this is 10 ml alkaline water sample that we have taken in a titration flask. So 10 ml alkaline water in titration flask. Now we will add phenolphthalein indicator first. So after adding a phenolphthalein indicator, just add one or two drop of phenolphthalein indicator. So it is becoming pink in color. Okay, so titrate this pink color. Why it is becoming pink color? Because phenolphthalein has a tendency to show a pink color in basic medium, and when we titrate it against acid, okay, it will get converted into acidic medium. When it becomes acidic, it will turn to a colorless. So phenolphthalein has a tendency to show a pink color in basic medium and colorless in acidic medium. So that's why your titration color change is pink to colorless and not the colorless to pink like in your 12th standard, because at that time you have titrated, okay, titrated acid against base. Now we are doing a reverse thing. So we will start the titration. So 0 ml is adjusted, HCl is there in the burette. So acid we are titrating against base because alkaline water sample. So when it will become colorless, so it's now become just one drop is required. Now it's colorless. So this is your first reading, and the reading is 2.2 ml. We will record the burette reading. 2.2 ml is the burette reading. Now we will add the phenolphthalein indicator in the same sample. We are not throwing this titration solution, okay, titrated solution. We are adding just one or two drop of, okay, this is becoming now yellow, and titrate this yellow color solutions. Okay, you have to titrate this yellow color solution against against HCl from the burette. Okay, from the same, continue the reading 2.2 onwards में ले रहा हूँ. Okay, so it should become a orange. So when it will become orange, that is your second burette reading V2. The first burette reading is V1 ml. Now we are taking your second burette reading, that is V2 ml. So we are titrating further. So what kind of orange you are required? So this is the orange. This type of orange, if it is there, that is your reading, and your reading is 6.2 ml. So first reading is 2.2 ml and second reading is 6.2 ml. So we'll stop here. So we know the burette reading, first burette reading is 2.2 ml and your second burette reading V2 is 6.2 ml. So by taking these values we can do the calculation. So first is, you know the formula of phenolphthalein alkalinity. So P is equal to V1 upon V into Z into 50. This time it's a normality, not the alkalinity. Okay, normality of HCl and not the molarity. So that's why 50 into 1000. So we have studied out this formula in the theory also. And N is methyl orange alkalinity. And formula is V2 upon V into Z into 50 into 1000. Okay. So you know the value of V1, you know the value of V2, and you know how much alkaline water sample is taken for the titration. 10 ml alkaline water sample is taken for the titration. So you know all these values. You know the molarity of HCl. Molarity, what is the molarity of HCl? 0.1. 0.1? 0.1 normal HCl. So 0.2, sorry, it's a 0.2. 0.02. So the molarity of HCl is 0.02 normal. Okay, that is prepared by the Pauley sir. So 0.02 molar Normal is the molarity, normality this time. Molarity and normality for acid is same. So 0.02 normal is the value for Z. So you know all the values. So can you calculate P? Yes, definitely. We can calculate M. And based on that, we can find out which type of alkalinity is present and how much is the amount that we have already studied in theory. So find out P, whether P is 0, do the calculation and check whether P is 0. Is it not possible to come the value of P is equal to 0? And so next is P is equal to half of M आ सकता है कि ये वैल्यू इसके आधा होगा तो ये half of M आएगा. So P is not M का आधा पर उसका P equal to नहीं है. So P is equal to half of M भी नहीं है. Okay, then P is equal to M है क्या, दोनों वैल्यू सेम है क्या, नहीं है. So P is equal to M भी नहीं आ सकता. So what will be the condition here? आपका 2.2 से डबल करो so V is greater than that. So definitely here half of M is greater than, you can say P is less than half of M. ये वाला कंडीशन आने वाला है. So half of M करेंगे आप, उसका आधा करेंगे तो भी वो बड़ा रहेगा compared to P. So what are the quantities present here in the titration? कौन से quantities present होंगे? Bicarbonate is present in the sample and carbonate is present in the sample. So how much bicarbonate is present and how much carbonate is present, you can check from the chart and you can do the remaining calculation.